Thank you for 1,000 subscribers. Yesterday I had 504 subscribers, and as I'm filming this I have 1,100 subscribers. That means that in the past day I've gained more subscribers than I did in the past 2.5 years. So I say thank you for this small boost and for helping me reach my first goal of 1,000 subscribers. I wanna say a huge thank you to JAZZA because this wouldn't have been possible without him. So a little backstory, I entered the competition on Twitter where I uploaded a picture of me with my workshop and I explained how I was going to make my 2021 creative, and I was in the chance to win a Huey on tablet. I went into the competition and I won the first prize, the tablet, and that was what I went in for. Now JAZZA, being the kind person he is, he also gave me a shout out and showed a bit of my video and a screen recording of my channel. I just want to say thank you for looking out for the little guy. I mean, he has 5 million subscribers. I had yesterday 500 subscribers. That is 0.0001 of the subscribers he has. So I thank you for noticing me and giving me that shout out. And I also want to say thank you to you, the subscribers. Both those of you have been here for the past 2 years and those who have joined me yesterday. For those who have been here for the past 2 years, I say thank you for sticking with me and giving me the support over the course of these 2 years. For those of you who have come over here from JAZZA's video, I say welcome and I hope you enjoy the ride. Last but not least, I want to show you this. This is, I guess, the first fan artwork. So this was made by a friend of mine and basically it's my logo on canvas. Please, please, please go follow her on Instagram and Facebook. She does really cool artworks like this. She's called, well, the account is called Lines on Canvas. I'll leave the handles over here, somewhere over here. So let's give you a zoom on this so you can see the work. I will hang this back here so it will be displayed in future videos, and until I post those future videos, I encourage you to subscribe over here. These are some more videos on my channel over here. And until next time, I'm David, and thank you for being part of the Craft Mansion. Okay, so first video done. Now let's start the intro for the next video.